Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. I am clever and courageous. What is something that you are courageous about? Maybe somebody needs to hear your courageous heart and your stories. Translucent threadwork. Gain clarity and self-awareness, understanding your true essence. Ten things that bring you joy. To bring more joy into your life, you first need to feel joy by getting into vibrational alignment with the energy that is joy. To get into alignment, physically feel joy, no matter your present state or circumstance. To physically feel joy, think about or write a list of 10 things that bring you joy. Big or small things, size is no matter. Perhaps your joy is the pleasure you feel when smelling flowers or purring of a cat or going for a walk. As you build your list, really start to feel the sensation of happiness and joy bubble up inside you. You are now shifting into the vibrational energy of joy. Repeat several times daily, and you'll be in awe of how quickly joy begins to manifest in your life. Lots to think about on that card. Self-compassion. I extend boundless compassion and kindness towards myself, acknowledging that I am doing my best with the wisdom and resources available to me. Embracing self-acceptance, I foster an environment of love and understanding within my being. Owl Spirit, Wisdom, number 27 or number 9. Have you been seeing owls, butterflies? Do a search on what that means for you. 23. Nature. Tune in to the natural world. When's the last time you sat outside and appreciated the nature around you? Maybe it's time to go do more of that. And our last card for today before we go to our little messages. Zero 404. Slow down. Balance, power struggle, force, violence, hope, authority, ancestors, restlessness, low vibrations, warning. Pay close attention to the people in your life, your surroundings, and your physical health. Don't freak out. It's just a warning to be careful and awake to avoid any further issues. Communicate and keep healthy boundaries. All right, let's do this little itty bitty envelope today. Who and what deserves your time, love, and attention? Make more time for that. If all jobs paid the same amount, what would you be doing? Your vibe attracts your tribe. It's built by your actions, habits, and behaviors. Do a vibe check with yourself today. Perspective number 81. Everyone ages differently. Don't compare your journey to mine. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Feel Good's perspective. Following your heart always leads to more abundance. That's why you shouldn't be afraid. And the last one today. Is the life you are living now a result of your choices or your fears? Alrighty. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.